guys, are you looking to grow healthy hair from bald to any length you want? Well, I'll be using cloves to make an oil in this video, and it's going to grow your hair. It's going to give you strong, healthy hair. It's going to really revive dead follicles. If you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe. So the only ingredient we'll be using here is cloves. Cloves is our main ingredient. I'm sure if you've heard, you will know about the importance of cloves and how it is so beneficial to the human being as a whole and also to the hair. So in this video, I'll be blending my cloves because I want to use it in an oil form. You can decide not to blend it. You can just decide to infuse it and then add your oil to it. But then if you want a better infusion, it's best to blend your cloves. So I just blended my cloves. You don't need to blend it for it to be so smooth. Just blend it enough that will be easy for the oil to be infused. Once you are done blending, just transfer it to your saucepan. You can decide to fry this as an oil, like frying it. I get so many questions that does frying reduce the potency? No, frying will not reduce the potency. It will still be a very strong clove oil, a very strong and potent clove oil. So now that I've put everything, I'm using coconut oil in this video. You can use any oil, as I always say. I'll be using coconut oil. You can use olive oil. You can use any oil you have available, not your cooking oil, of course. So why am I using cloves? Cloves is a very good scalp nutrient. Like, cloves really improve scalp health. Cloves can contribute to a healthier scalp, creating a favorable environment for hair growth. Yes, cloves also enhances blood circulation on the scalp. It has a property to stimulate blood flow in your scalp, which also promotes hair growth and encourage the hair follicles that are dead to revive. So why haven't you used cloves yet? So I transferred everything. I did it off camera and then placed it in a hot water using the double boiler method. And I did it for about 30 minutes for it to infuse properly. So this is me about to apply my clove oil. Guys, my edges is like this because I am always wearing wigs. Like, I haven't really mastered styling my hair, and also because I'm dealing with dandruff. And you know, dandruff, it's quite stubborn. If you want to tackle it, you have to make sure you leave your hair available, accessible anytime you're ready to touch it. So yes, this is a freshly washed hair. I'm applying this oil on a freshly washed hair so that it's able to go directly on the scalp. You will think I'm not adding it to the scalp, but I'll be adding it to my scalp as well, because hair growth starts from the scalp, and if cloves promote scalp health, why won't I add this to my scalp? Yes, I said earlier that I use apple as well, apple hair food. Apple hair food is a very good product. If you've used it before, the one with the menthol is really, really soothing on the scalp. I'm not really a fan of hair creams or that sort, but when I decide to use any hair cream, I use apple hair food because it's very, very good. It has helped grow my hair really quickly and very, very thick. Yes, so watch me apply my clove oil on my scalp, and I was really feeling my hair. Like, if you could touch my hair from the video, you would be so impressed. My hair has really grown beautifully. It's very, very thick and fluffy, and it's all because I decided to put in the effort. This is also my clove water, which video will be uploaded shortly so that you can check the channel and try it yourself. So this is a combo of clove oil and clove spray for your hair. Like, can you see this, the bounce that my hair is giving? You know how when your hair is bouncy, it means that your hair is very, very healthy. So guys, have you tried clove on your hair before? Cloves is a very natural anti-inflammatory thing. You know, cloves is being consumed orally as well. If you are having sore throat or anything, or your sinus is having issues, you can just try cloves. And I really, really like natural herbs and spices because there is no side effect unless you decide not to use a wall, or unless you decide to overuse them. I was really obsessed with how my hair felt. Like, my hair felt really, really good, and I super loved it. So guys, yes, have you tried clove before? Let me know in the comments below. I forgot to put the video of me heating it, but then I have other videos on how I heat my hair oil using a double boiler method, so that you can check them out and then have a fair idea of how this is done. So you can apply this to your scalp every day. I'm not against applying oil on your scalp every day. I'm just focusing on how often you wash your hair when you do this, because applying oil on your scalp every day is good. But then, how often do you wash your hair? When you apply oil to your scalp, it traps dirt very, very, very fast. Like, it traps dirt really, really easily. So if you don't wash your hair often, you're going to clog your pores with dirt. So I'm doing this because I wash my hair once in every week, so I can apply oil on my scalp every day. But if you, on the other hand, wash your hair, let's say once a month, it wouldn't be very advisable to apply oil to your scalp every day. But then if you wash your hair as often as I do mine, once a week is not even too much. You can do your hair once a week, and it perfectly works for me. And also because I'm dealing with dandruff and I'm trying to sort it out with my onion juice, I'll be uploading my dandruff journey right here on the channel. So yes, let me know what you think about this video. Are you struggling with hair growth? Let me know in the comments, because I don't know what I haven't faced concerning hair. I faced excessive breakage, I faced dandruff, I faced alopecia on my edges, which you can clearly tell that it's doing better. Like, it's just on and off, but it's doing better. I faced scalp inflammation. So I really have seen it all when it comes to hair challenges. So I would really appreciate if you ask me some questions that would help you in your hair journey. So my name is Lydia. If you are new to the channel, this channel is all about hair growth tips using DIY ingredients to grow natural and permed hair. People ask me if they can use this on their permed hair. Yes, you can use this on your permed hair. It works very well for permed hair as well. Do well to massage your scalp also in order to promote blood circulation and promote hair growth. Do well to subscribe to the channel if you are new, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.